Welcome to Exotic Spice. Let's cook! Today I will be making Dhal Vada, or in English, Indian lentil fritter. Here are the ingredients. Put the lentils in a bowl and add cold tap water and keep it soaked for 4 to 6 hours, then strain. Take 3 cups of lentil and you can put the rest away in a freezer for next time. In a food processor, mince the lentils. Remember not to keep it too dry and not too liquidy. You can choose to add a little bit of water in order to make it a good solid paste. Once you're done, in a bowl, add the lentils, onions, cilantro, garlic, chili, salt, cumin seed, and baking powder, and lemon juice, and then mix until it's well blended. If you find it that it's not binding well, you can do what I've done here is I've taken half of the mixture and re-minced it in the food processor. Heat the oil and put a small amount to test to see if it's hot enough. Once the lentil shows bubbles forming around it, lower the heat a bit and start forming the lentils into a small donut shape and place it into the pot. Repeat until the pot is filled. Do not overlap or it'll stick together. Every couple of minutes, flip them so that both sides are nicely cooked. Repeat these steps until all are gone. And they're ready to serve. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed.